Can you put on your sunscreen when you play? Can you put on your sunscreen when you play? When you head out in the sun, you'll have even more fun if you put on your sunscreen when you play. Can you put a blob of sunscreen on your nose? Can you put a blob of sunscreen on your nose? When you rub lotion in, you're protecting your skin if you put a blob of sunscreen on your nose. Can you put some on your ears and your neck? Can you rub it on your arms and your legs? From your head to your toes, wherever your skin shows, put on sunscreen and a sun hat on your head. Can you make a silly shape with the sunscreen? Can you make a silly shape with the sunscreen? You could make a funny smile, or you could go freestyle when you make a silly shape with the sunscreen. When it's sunny in the middle of the day, why not play it cool and head to the shade? If your shadow looks shorter, make a den and drink some water. So play it cool and head to the shade. Make sure you keep putting on sunscreen all day, especially if you go for a swim. And a sun hat and some summer clothes will be sure to keep you looking and feeling cool. Shall we put on some more sunscreen? Let's go! Can you put on your sunscreen when you play? Can you put on your sunscreen when you play? When you're out in the sun, you'll have even more fun if you put on your sunscreen when you play.